In this fast-paced digital era, making money online has become a viable and lucrative option for individuals seeking financial freedom. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, there are countless opportunities waiting to be explored. Here are some of the best ways how to earn money online without investment. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services online as a freelancer. You can find various platforms that connect freelancers with clients, such as Upwork or Fiverr. If you're looking for freelance work, there are several platforms you can consider, such as Upwork or Fiverr. These platforms provide a convenient way for freelancers to connect with clients looking for specific services. Upwork, for example, is one of the largest freelance marketplaces, offering a wide range of job categories and opportunities for freelancers from various fields. On the other hand, Fiverr focuses more on microjobs, where freelancers can offer their services starting at $5. Both platforms have their own pros and cons, so it's important to do your research and find the one that best fits your needs. When using these platforms, it's crucial to create a compelling profile that showcases your skills and experience. Additionally, it's important to actively search for relevant job postings and submit proposals that highlight your expertise. By utilizing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, you can increase your chances of finding freelance work and building a successful career. Online surveys. Participate in online surveys and get paid for sharing your opinions. Websites like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks offer opportunities to earn money by completing surveys. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to earn some extra cash, then look no further than Swagbucks. With Swagbucks, you have the opportunity to make money by simply completing surveys. It's as easy as signing up, selecting the surveys that interest you, and providing your honest opinions. Swagbucks offers a wide variety of survey options, so you can choose the ones that align with your interests and preferences. Whether you enjoy sharing your thoughts on consumer products, entertainment, or current events, there's a survey for everyone. Not only will you get paid for your time and effort, but you'll also have the chance to earn additional rewards, such as gift cards or cashback. So why wait? Start earning money today with Swagbucks and turn your opinions into real rewards. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, offer online tutoring sessions through platforms like Tutor.com or VIPKid and make money by helping others learn. If you are looking for a way to earn some extra cash while making a positive impact on someone's life, consider becoming an online tutor with platforms like Tutor.com or VIPKid. These platforms connect students from around the world with qualified tutors who can help them improve their academic performance. With the flexibility of working from home and setting your own schedule, you can easily fit tutoring sessions into your busy life. Whether you excel in math, science, languages, or any other subject, there are students out there who need your expertise. By sharing your knowledge and guiding others on their learning journey, you not only help them succeed but also gain a sense of fulfillment. Moreover, these tutoring platforms provide comprehensive training and support to ensure that you are equipped with the necessary tools and resources to be an effective tutor. So why wait? Start tutoring today and start making money while helping others learn. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your website or social media platforms and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This involves promoting products or services on your website or social media platforms and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Many companies offer affiliate programs, making it easy to find products that align with your niche. Additionally, consider creating and selling digital products. Whether it's an ebook, online course, or even stock photos, the internet provides a platform to reach a wide audience and generate passive income. If you have a talent for writing, consider becoming an online content creator. Start a blog or contribute articles to established websites. Monetize your content through advertisements or sponsored posts. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of YouTube. Create engaging videos and build a following. Once you meet the requirements, you can monetize your channel through ads or sponsored content. Remember that making money online requires dedication and consistency. Explore different avenues and find what works best for you. E-commerce. Set up an online store on platforms like Shopify. Setting up an online store on platforms like Shopify is a crucial step in establishing a successful e-commerce business. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, Shopify provides a convenient and efficient way to showcase and sell your products to a global audience. To begin, create a Shopify account and choose a visually appealing theme that aligns with your brand identity. Next, customize your store by adding product descriptions, high-quality images, and pricing details. Ensure that your store is organized and easy to navigate, allowing customers to find what they need effortlessly. Additionally, utilize Shopify's built-in marketing tools to drive traffic to your store and increase sales. From email marketing campaigns to social media integrations, Shopify offers a range of options to boost your online presence. Finally, regularly analyze your store's performance through Shopify's analytics dashboard, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your business strategy. By following these steps, you can effectively set up and manage an online store on platforms like Shopify, maximizing your chances of success in the competitive e-commerce landscape. YouTube automation. Create a YouTube channel using AI tools to create videos. Creating a YouTube channel using AI tools to produce videos is a revolutionary approach that can enhance your online presence and capture the attention of a wider audience. To begin, select a suitable AI tool that aligns with your needs and expertise. These tools utilize advanced algorithms and machine learning to automatically generate engaging content, saving you time and effort. Next, brainstorm and outline the topics and themes that will resonate with your target viewers. With the help of AI, you can easily create compelling scripts and storyboards, ensuring a seamless flow of ideas. Additionally, AI tools offer a wide range of customization options, allowing you to personalize your videos with captivating visuals, animations, and effects. Once you have completed the creation process, it's time to optimize your videos for maximum visibility. Leverage AI-powered analytics to identify keywords and trends that will help your videos rank higher in search results. With AI tools by your side, creating a successful YouTube channel has never been easier. TikTok channel. Create a TikTok social media channel for marketing. Creating a TikTok social media channel for marketing can be an effective way to reach a younger audience and increase brand visibility. To get started, first, download the TikTok app and create an account for your brand. Next, optimize your profile by adding a catchy username and a clear and engaging bio that highlights what your brand is all about. Now, it's time to start creating content that resonates with your target audience. Experiment with different formats, such as dance challenges, lip-syncing videos, or behind-the-scenes glimpses into your brand story. Don't forget to use popular hashtags and catchy captions to enhance the discoverability and shareability of your content. Lastly, engage with the TikTok community by following other users, liking and commenting on their videos, and collaborating with influencers in your niche. With consistent effort and creativity, your TikTok channel can become a powerful marketing tool. So, don't wait any longer. Start creating and sharing compelling content on TikTok today. If you're looking for the best AI tools to help your business and learn how to make money online, click the link in bio.